3 members of the newly formed Karbi United Liberation Army arrested in Karbi Anglong on 3rd day of August 2022. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma purchased his national flag as part of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. The Fubiat College Union Body apologized against work experience case on 3rd of August 2022. The story began on 3rd August morning, when after seeing them, the new outfit of Karbi Anglong opened fire on the Assam police personnel, which the police too retaliated and injured one militant. The encounter ensues between police and militants in the Manja area of Karbi Anglong district after the police reached the spot. Among the 3 militants was the self-declared chairman named DP Krongjang alias Daniel Teron of the group. The new outfit we identified as Karbi United Liberation Army of Karbi Anglong district. Besides this, some weapons and ammunition were also seized. The chairman of the militant outfit DP Krongjang alias Daniel Teron was injured during the encounter. Along with arms, ammunition, dresses, letter pad, etc. from the site were also recovered. 2 other leaders of the new group were also arrested. The 2 other arrested militants were identified as Sedeng Tangan alias Pranab Timung and Arak Ezang alias Thengtom Hanse. Assam Special Director General of Police GP Singh said that police will leave no stone unturned to stabilize peace in the hill districts of Assam. Jameson Teron on Karbi Anglong Updates, Karbi Daily News. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma purchased his national flag as part of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign in Guwahati on Sunday. He said the state government has left no stone unturned to make the Har Ghar Tiranga movement a great success in Assam. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the tricolor will be available in government fair price shops across the state for rupees 18 apiece. He said the state government has decided to buy 50 lakh national flags from the Union Textile Ministry. Sarma urged people to replace their profile picture on social media accounts with the image of the tricolor. Sarma on Sunday released the video of the theme song of Har Ghar Tiranga on the occasion, where several renowned singers, artists and leading personalities of the state played a role. Jameson Teron report on State of Assam, Karbi Daily News. The Fubiat College Union Body apologized against work experience case on 3rd of August 2022. On 2nd of August 2022, notification number DBC/2021-22/094. The Fubiat College directed all the 2nd and 4th semester students to submit different kitchen items, teaching aids and stationeries as a work experience. The college authority asked the students to submit utensils, pressure cooker, karahi, kettle, spoon, and steel jugs, cup plate with tray, notice board, magazine board, lecture stand, printed ink set, legal size file, and wall fan without fail. They are asked to submit within 2nd to 10th day of August 2022, and in no time it went viral in social media, uploaded by students themselves with evil comments. In the past hour, many youngsters made loads of comments against this work experience case by uploading in their WhatsApp status and Facebook. In this case, the students who had uploaded the notice along with the Fubiat College Union Body regretted and asked apologize to the college authority for their wrong and evil deeds which risks to defame the college. Rajiv Rongpi report from Difu, Karbi Daily News.
Dak notice kipia tengpen ang to na hormuta ino jungjung le kipinang jila pokali nile mohat sa minang hamo bang koy bang ket ba bang krepo lato songbong si pininang ji tanon patawiya porben social media long thelong no comments kipia dek to mangke junuda ason stame dolo mane bangke message comments sa minang pidun lo poivit stame nile tumahin bangke kudung dang to bangke nonason ukar le hang ponon ba exit le hang thon ador ki su bu kali seta inut jongsi pharoi sira phoke ba pharoi ni ake ong nai seta me lanung si chirong ro pote banging kol ang bong ba bang ke bang ke chok te jima ku si ni to ma hen bang ma tha tum akan na ho kabe non son lecture stand same seminar hotlo ba pene conference dolo bolote lam ganing je phan ke non son aluhi ke bang hosta me do la expert phan ke hang taro research person ke bang hosta me do hala so lecture jong si pg bolote akasik sak do kok ti amasi la so hota kinang do kok ti la ben kitili same ke hang do kok to non son teaching staff tumang bong class and bong hot alam tum jitiat lunch break ke do holo bote sa chu dam kan ka to we sa ke jun la ya pan se me apor chen da ti ate mene difubiat college ke adungarai dukan lege do pra pokali halloween la pen ako nali tum ka to we sa chini no difu town pe na me ko ani aja ka hello la solam no
माने against के काम चिखन कली के पोस्ट के हेदी माने against authority against तामोते नि तुम कीपे लहाई नि पुपेते माने नि बांके जस्ट माने work experience के लहाई के हां हे बोन ला सुभा माने misunderstand लो नेता साडुम हम को मंची कोलो बा यूनियन बोडी तो हंता अर्जुनन जी कोलो है डायरेक्ट नि बांग फेसबुक लो अपलोड दर लो अंके ने एकता क्लैरिफिकेशन चिपी कांकुम है तो न्यूज़ लोग हेडलाइन लोग जन क्लियरिंग टीपी लसन सन माने सोशल मीडिया लोग अपलोड लो लहाए के अथॉरिटी तुम हां न्यूज़ तुम पीपी नहीं के है नोट कुदी ऐसे और अथॉरिटी तुम थांग मिसबिहेव ता कुली ले सार तमो पेन तानी तुम नंखांग पामे लो चिंकी सिना सुखान सिना दे आजता नंकुपे माने तुम मुझे चार्ज से रोयतन सी नंकुपे ने नंजी कौन प्लस एकता माने सब हांता क्लैरिफिकेशन की फिकान तुमके लाजे कॉलेज तुमके तोय बा अथॉरिटी तुमके तोय माने नंकी प्लस ओखाने नि तुमकां के पॉलिटिक्स के छहांकाले एबे निमिथां मिसअंडरस्टैंड लो लाको निमिथां से के चॉक चलो जे अपलोड लेदर नंजी फॉलो विदाउट एनी कंसर्न एंड नंजी अर्जुन नहीं